Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix Telegram. Please check your internet connection and try again error. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you have to open the iOS App Store and download Telegram, or if you're on an Android phone you just have to open the Google Play Store, type in Telegram and download this application. So if you are getting this error, try uninstalling Telegram and downloading the Telegram application once again. And if you are on an iOS device, just force reset your iPhone, which is by pressing the volume up button and the lock screen button. This will force your iPhone to force reset. Unfortunately, I cannot do it on this screen recording, otherwise it would turn off the screen recording. The steps are gonna be similar on an Android phone as well. And yeah, this is the second step. The third step is to just update the Telegram app, reinstall it, and then restart your phone and see if it fixes your problem. However, if it still doesn't fix your problem, you can go to google.com like this and search for Telegram support and tell them about your issue, and they should help you fix your problem within 24 hours. So yeah guys, that's about it. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.